Good afternoon, Gavin Knox here from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have the new Generation 20 system, which is mounted into the new enclosure box, which measures 44 long by 25 wide by 33 high. We can see we have changed the positions of the recycling tank and the cell itself. The cell's tied down, you can see, with those stud inserts, nut inserts attached to the base of the box. We have the pumping system, you can see over the side there, and the attachment. The fluid goes through to the front of the box, and there's the 50 amp Anderson plug on the front of the box as well. You can see it from this position. There's the Anderson plug on the front there, and the gas outlet from the front there as well. This whole system can be closed up. As you can see here, it's a compact unit. This one is an anodized die-cast aluminium box, which measures 44 long by 25 wide by 33 high. Very efficient system. Recycling tank with the screw-on lid. You can also see we're using Legree fittings here, and using trucking pneumatic 10mm piping. This piping over the side there. Legree fittings are resistant to any alkali solutions. The whole pumping arrangement, you can see down here, I'll get closer if I can. There's a pumping arrangement and the water inlet. Water comes out the top there. This outlet, this one I'm pointing to now. Water goes in the base unit. The power supplies are on the back there, or the terminals, which are cable gland fittings, connecting to the back, connected to the internal terminals of the system. Everything's made of either high density polyethylene or stainless steel 316L. I can be contacted at 040 317 7183. My name's Gavin Knox. My webpage is hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au or www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. My email glknox11@live.com or glknox@dodo.com.au. Hope to speak to you soon. This is the Generation 20 system, which is ideal for vehicles up to 8 litres and above. For 19 or 20 litre vehicles, you have combinations of these systems. So for a 16 litre engine, use 2 of these systems, either mounted into the die-cast aluminium box, or plastic box if you need be, or into the steel box as you require. Okay, have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.